Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about creating a wallet SDK, using more packages like Algo SDK, like that. So let's dive into this video. Now in this along 8 statements there are more import statements. So first let's understand what is that. Now inside the Algo SDK packages, there are more and more modules such as encoding, KMD. KMD is nothing but a key management daemon, which is primarily responsible for a key management and signing the transactions. So it can also run in any machine and for its maximum security. This is the main advantage for a KMD. And then it has a general accounts, a mnemonic. Okay, so now let's dive into this next steps. Here we are creating a KMD and algorithm clients for a process of creating and signing the transactions. First, we are checking whether there is an existing wallet or not. If there is an existing wallet, fine, yeah, we can continue with that. Now we are checking if the wallet is there or not. Here the existing wallet name, existing password and existing account. So is given as a user input from the user using input of method, and then getting a wallet ID. Since all wallet has some ID, it is getted from list wallets method, and now it is accessed by for loop method. So we know that for loop is a entry check method, and then now getting a handle for a existing wallet by using init wallet handle method. Inside that we have two parameters, existing wallet ID and existing wallet password. So and then printing its existing handle name. Now these are the steps if we have a existing wallet ID or address. Now what do we if we know don't have that? In this step we are creating a new wallet ID and accessing that. Let's see line by line. Now here we are creating a wallet name and wallet password, which is given from the input as a user input using input function. Okay, so now as a previous steps, here we are also using for loop as a entry check method, because if the wallet name entered here is already existed, then this step will move towards here, where it moves here and execute these parts. If not there, here it comes. If not, wallet ID. So the interpreter will comes here. Now here create wallet method is used to create a new wallet. Inside that, wallet name and wallet password is given as a parameters. Now a newly created wallet want a handle. To that we are using KCL module. Okay, now we are generating a private key and address, which are most important for an account for transactions. So this is a first account, and then we are giving a second address. So generate account with KMD. So here generate key method is used to giving address to, and then we are creating a mnemonic by using from private key method, and then we are moving into the interesting step called as creating and signing a transactions. So which is a bit super method. Okay, so now let's dive into these steps. Here For example, now we are going to transfer transaction between sender and receiver between the amount of 1 lakh. Okay. Now, payment transaction method is used to make a transaction which is inside a transaction module. Here, inside the payment transaction method, we are giving parameters as existing account, SP, and address one, and amount that we are going to transfer. Now, we are signing with the transaction with the KMD, and then we are setting a private key. Now, private key is always a random key which has a changing if we are changing the passwords. Now, signing transaction is offline. Now, we are checking whether these steps and these steps are equal or not. If equal, then it prints like signed transactions are same. If not, well, that's not good. Okay, now the transaction is sent through send transaction method. Okay, so now there will be more process in the backend for a transaction that must be happened. So to check whether our transaction is made properly or not, we can use this method called a pending transaction info, which gives the information about whether our transaction is made properly or not, or if the transaction is not occurred properly, then the amount must be recovered to the sender itself. So that information will be given in this pending transaction info method. So these are the overview of this creating of a wallet using Algo SDK. Thank you.